Hey guys, I'm Tim, and this week on the Becoming Bulletproof Project, I wanted to show you a very neat drill you can do to strengthen your center and tie your body together. Probably looks kind of silly unless you do it, and then you think, you know what, this feels kind of good, and I bet it looks kind of cool. Anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw super slow motion infinity circles using our eyes and our head, but also following with a weight. This is only 10 pounds, and honestly, this is kind of enough because we're going in slow motion and we're holding the weight away from our body, so that creates just a little more leverage, makes your center work harder. And we're going to draw super slow infinity circles and get low, really exaggerating the eyes and the head. It looks like this. So we're going to come up, down, and then come up and back around. Use your eyes and your head. Let your legs follow. Let your feet pivot. And this is all we're doing, just really slow motion, working that infinity pattern. Now you can use this is obviously a weight plate. You can use almost anything. A hammer. If you use a hammer, you're probably going to want to actually chop when you come across, which feels kind of cool. You can drive, like if you're using a plate, you can drive it like a steering wheel. Coming up and across. And you notice your legs might get wider, you might get lower. And that's what makes it more challenging as you go. And the other thing you can do is reverse directions, which feels kind of cool, just awkward. So we're going to go, we were going down and across, now we're going to go up and across. So I'm still using the eyes and the head, coming down, eyes in the head, coming back up, eyes in the head. And just having your arms out away from your body with the weight, you're going to feel the demand that it puts through your center. And that's all we're doing. We're just slow motion, taking our time, accumulating time, drawing infinity circles, working both directions. You can go 5 minutes one way, 5 minutes the other way, or 2.5 one way, 2.5 the other. Just spend some time doing it. I think you'll really appreciate how it turns on your center and how it connects your body. Great for your vestibular system, great for filling in your strength gaps and your motion gaps, your movement gaps. And then, if you own slow, then you own fast. And for you, that might mean more power, especially if you're into hitting things or running or walking. Walking's faster than that. But just moving around in general, the more you own your movements and your strength and the little nooks and crannies in between, just the better off you are when you move. Anyway, give that a shot. Super slow infinity circles as you get lower for some reason when you draw them. All right, I'm Tim. This is Becoming Bulletproof Project, and we'll see you next time.